2013 Chevy Avalanche, 5.3 liter. What we did on it today, we still got the stock converters right there and right there. And then it's got a third converter here. Then we put a MAGNAFLOW 14-inch body muffler, original tailpipe, and then a dual outlet tip, or a quad tip, out the back right there. I'll let you guys hear it in a sec. 2005 Chevy Avalanche, 5.3 liter V8. Still got factory converters there and there. Then it winds into a single right there. Then 2.5 inch. And then we put a 2-chamber muffler, basically exact copy of a FLOWMASTER. Here's the part number. I think we have a link in the description for it, or something similar to it if you guys like the sound and want to get one. But I think it's an exact copy of a FLOWMASTER because they're hard to come by right now because of the corona epidemic. LTZ edition. Give it gas. Back it up. I knew that was going to happen. It's okay. Chevy Avalanche. Go ahead. You guys can tell. This one's not going to have a drive off because it's going to have a trailer on it. Is the sound decibels? About 95. Answer it to say please hold. Answer it. You like it?
That sounds good.